ready to launch your online dreams with the perfect web address. Securing your new domain name on Spaceship is a straightforward journey. Let's get started by heading over to the Spaceship website. On the homepage, you'll find a clear domain search bar. This is where your adventure begins. Think of the name you want for your website, type it directly into the search bar. Don't worry about the extension just yet. Spaceship will help you with that. Once you hit search, Spaceship will show you all the available options for your desired name. Along with different domain extensions, you'll see popular choices like .com, .org, and .net, as well as many others. Look for the green, available tags. Choose the extension that best suits your project for most. A .com is the go-to if available. Once you've found the perfect match, simply click the Add to Cart button. You'll be taken to your shopping cart, where you can review your selection here. You can also see the total cost for your domain. Now, it's time to complete your purchase. Follow the prompts to enter your contact and payment information. Spaceship makes this process secure and user-friendly. And that's it. Congratulations! You've successfully purchased your new domain name on Spaceship. You're now one step closer to building your online presence. Ready to buy your domain? Head to Spaceship and start building your digital identity today.